Good morning, everyone. Today, we gather to watch one of the Earth's most vital treasures, biodiversity. Let's begin by understanding what biodiversity truly means. It encompasses the incredible variety of life in our planet, from the smallest plants to large animals, and from genetic diversity within species to the complex ecosystems they form. So let's begin watching. The first plant is prickly cactus, which belongs to the genus Opuntia ficus indica. It is also commonly known as a paddle cactus or nopal. This type of cactus is often referred to as nopales, the pads, or cactus pear, the fruit. Do you know that Opuntia, often called prickly pear or cactus pear, as it is now usually known in commerce? It is a plant typical of the Mexican landscape and a major symbol of identity for Mexican people.
The second plant's scientific name is Roelia tuberosa, commonly known as a mini root, fever root, snapdragon root, or popping pod. It is a wild herbaceous perennial plant that produces purple trumpet-shaped flowers. Roelia tuberosa may be found in moist and shady environments. It grows, however, preferably in grassland and roadsides, often as a weed in cultivated fields, and also in xerophyll and ruderal habitats.
Third plant is Canna or Canna lily. It's a genus of flowering plants consisting of 10 species. It is the only genus in the family Cannaceae. All of the genus species are native to the American tropics and were naturalized in Europe, India, and Africa in the 1860s. Although they grow native to the tropics, most cultivars have been developed in temperate climates and are easy to grow in most countries of the world, as long as they receive at least 6 to 8 hours average sunlight during the summer and are moved to a warm location for the winter.
The fourth plant is Bidens alba, is a species of flowering plant in the family Asteraceae, commonly known as shepherd's needles, bigartics, southern chadweed, Spanish needles, or butterfly needles. Bidens means two-toothed, describing the two projections found at the top of the seeds. And alba refers to the white ray florets. This plant is found in tropical and subtropical regions of North America, Asia, South America, and Africa, situated in gardens, roadsides, farm fields, and disturbed sites.
The fifth plant is Cascabella tebetia. It's a poisonous plant native throughout Mexico and Central America, and cultivated widely as an ornamental plant. It's related to Nerium oleander, giving it a common name yellow oleander. Its bright yellow flowers are used for religious purposes in India, worshipping by Hindu devotees.
The sixth plant is Lantana, a genus of about 150 species of perennial flowering plants in the Verbena family, Verbanaceae. They are native to tropical regions of the Americas and Africans, but exists as an introduced species in numerous areas, especially in the Australian Pacific region, south and northern eastern part of India. The genus includes both herbaceous plants and shrubs growing to 0.5 to 2 meters and 1.6 to 6.6 feet tall. Their common names in shrub Verbenus or Lantanas. The generic name originated in late Latin, where it refers to the unrelated Verbenum lantana.
Calachuchi is the local Filipino name for the plumeria flower, which is also known as frangipani. Its name comes from the Tagalog word calachuchi, and the flower is known for its beautiful fragrant white flowers, it symbolizes beauty, love, devotion, purity, and new beginnings, making it popular in weddings.
The eighth plant is Schizus dactyum. It's a tall or shrub-like tropical genus of bamboo. They are natives mostly of tropical Asia and Papuasia, with a few species in Madagascar. And on certain islands in the Pacific, a few have become naturalized in other tropical regions.
The ninth plant is the sapodilla. It's a slow-growing, long-lived evergreen tree native to southern Mexico, Central America, and the Caribbean that produces a sweet, edible fruit. It is also known by many other names worldwide, including Chico, Naseberry, Chico, and Nespero. The trees can survive only in warm, typically tropical environments, although it has low tolerance to dew and heat in its early years, dying easily if the temperature drops below freezing. From germination, the sapodilla tree will usually take anywhere from 5 to 8 years to bear fruit. The sapodilla trees yield fruit twice a year, though flowering may continue year-round.
Ficus microcarpa is a large tropical tree that grows to 25 meter to 82 feet tall, occasionally to 35 meter, 115 feet, with innumerable aerial roots descending from the branches that have the capacity to develop into accessory trunks or prop roots. It may initially be epiphytic, lithosphytic, or terrestrial. The leaves are narrowly to broadly elliptic, measuring up to 12 cm to 4.7 long by 9 cm to 3.5 wide. They are glabrous without hairs and have 5 to 9 pairs of main lateral veins, either sides of the midribs, which form distinct lobes within the leaf.
The first animal is the Anglo-Nubian, is a British breed of domestic goat. It originated in the 19th century from crossbreeding between native British goats and mixed population of large Lockwood goats imported from India, the Middle East, and North Africa. It is characterized by large, pendulous ears and convex profile. It has been exported to many parts of the world, and it's found in more than 60 countries. In many of them, it is known simply as the Nubian.
Large white pig, also known as Yorkshire. It's widely used in commercial pig production and crossbreeding programs in the Philippines and globally. The large white pig is often as a maternal line-in crossbreeding programs to improve the traits of the other breeds. Frequently grows with the laundries to produce hydrate gills.
The third animal is gamefowl rooster, a common sight in the Philippines due to the popularity of rooster fighting as a local sport and cultural activity.
The fourth animal is Harmonia axyridis, is a lady beetle or ladybird species that is most commonly known as the harlequin, Asian, or multicolored Asian lady beetle. This is one of the most variable lady beetle species in the world, with an exceptionally wide range of color phones.
The fifth animal is carpenter bees, or species in the genus Psilocopa of the subfamily Psilocopinae. The common name carpenter bee derives from their nesting behavior. Nearly all species burrow into the hard plant materials such as dead wood or bamboo. The main exceptions are species the subgenus Proxylocopa, which dig nesting tunnels in suitable soil. Carpenter bees have short mouthparts and are important pollinators of some open fields or shallow flowers. For some, they even are obligate pollinators. For examples, the maypap Passiflora incarnata, and Aprium, which are not pollinated by any other insects.
These animals is common mine, Chalazacletia, a species of swallowtail butterfly common throughout Southeast Asia, including the Philippines. The Pacific patterns is one of the several forms mimicry patterns. This butterfly is also known for its distinctive black and white markings on its wings. It is part of Papilionidae family, which often features prominent tails on the hindwings.
The seventh animal is a tropical fire ant, also known in some dialect in Filipino as lasga. They're common outdoor ant species in the Philippines and build their nest as a mounds in soil, lawns, or garden areas.
The eighth animal is Aspin. Portmanteau of Asong Pinoy, meaning Filipino dog, refers to a diverse population of mongrel free-ranging dogs found in the Philippines. The term Askal is neologism from the Filipino language and is commonly used as a derogatory term for describing stray or mixed breeding dogs. They roam the streets of urban and rural areas across the country. It is considered to reflect class discrimination in the country, particularly towards indigenous elements.
The ninth animal is Atractomorpha. It's a genus in the Paragomorphidae, a family of grasshoppers found in Africa, Asia, and Australia. Atractomorpha are active during the day, and their usual habitat is reeds and grasses to close rivers or streams. They are herbivores because of the Orthoptera, so it is understandable that some species seem to be minor pests and gardens, and that some, such as Atractomorpha shitesana and Atractomorpha bidili, are significant pests and rice.
The 10th animal is the Philippine native or Philippine cattle. It's an indigenous breed or group of breeds of cattle of the Philippines. It is one of the 6 local breeds reported to the DADIS, database of the Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations. The other are the Batanes Black, the Batangas, the Ilocos, small and large types, the Iloilo, and the Epilamin, which is extinct.